Hey there, John. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with you earlier today, promising this short video, giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. But if not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, and right up here at the top of your page, I absolutely love that you have your phone number nice and big. You do have this click to call button. Even better would be combining those two, of course, but there's only so much you can do on a Wix site, and I know that. Nice little logo here just with the roof line. I like the simplicity of it. Beautiful photo here. And I like that you have just kind of a nice little gallery here as well. Now, and the one thing that you are really missing on this home page, and this is really the only page that you have here, is content. Now, and content is king in Google's eyes, and when I'm talking content, I mean everything here on your website, the words of course, but also those images and how those images are saved before they're loaded onto this site. It can be read by search engines so that they know what you do as a business as well. You can have this saved as a keyword, and that will help as well. Now, in Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a web page, especially on the home page of a website. And I know that sounds like a lot and it could be pretty wordy, but it really turns into an absolutely beautiful website. And, you know, we'll have lots of pictures in there and all of that as well to break up the amount of words on the site. Now, and there's two reasons that that much content really does matter. Now, in the first, I kind of mentioned already, content is king in Google's eyes. Google loves content. It's actually one of the factors in their algorithms on how to get your web page up to the top of a Google search. Now, and the second thing is actually getting more keywords on your site. Now, and what is a keyword, you might be asking? Keywords are like this. Kitchen remodeling, Des Moines, Iowa is a great keyword in your area. If I jump over here to this tool that I have, you see I've already got pulled up several different keywords. I just searched remodeling Des Moines and remodel Des Moines and had it fill in the rest for some of the top keywords. And that keyword that I used in that search has a volume of 200. So that means 200 times in a month someone is searching for that exact phrase. So the more content that you have on your website, the more keywords that you can plug in and have on your site, which means that you'll be found for more of those keywords that people are searching for. As I said earlier, you can have these images all saved as keywords before they're loaded onto your site as well, and that helps even more. The next thing I'd like to talk about is going over to this search here, and of course that kitchen remodeling Des Moines, Iowa is the search that I did. This top area here is your Google Maps or your map pack, and this is where Google My Business pages are listed. Now, in these top three sections here, the top three businesses actually take 40% of the search volume. Remember, the search volume was 200 for this particular keyword. So 40% of that, 80, 90 clicks, somewhere in there, is actually going just to these three businesses here. So it's really important to get your business up to the top in this section. And then how do you do that? Well, the easiest way is actually, I've got your Google My Business pulled up here. You've got it pretty well filled out, but you don't have any reviews yet. So that'd be my first tip for your Google business profile, is definitely go out and try and get as many reviews as you possibly can, and 5-star reviews are of course the best. And then on top of that, take your photos, and as many photos as you can, have them saved to your Google My Business profile as keywords as well. There's one other thing that really goes into getting you to the top of this site, or of this section of the Google Map Pack, and that is citations. Now, what is a citation? A citation is just a listing of your business in different directories across the web. Directories like Angie or Home Advisor, those are, and Yelp, Yellow Pages, those are all directories. The more citations you have, the faster it is going to be for you to move up into this top section and really blow AIM Kitchen and Bath out of the water for remodeling services. And as you see here, AIM is the top in this organic section as well right now. Now in this very top section actually takes about 30% of that search volume, so we're talking 70% of the search volume in just this top area, the top organic and the top 3 in the map pack. Now to get in the top spot down here in the organic section, we're looking at a few things. Of course, what we talked about on your web page, your content, getting more keywords on there as much as you can, utilizing those nice unique keyword-rich content. But the backside of your site actually matters almost as much, if not even more. Now on the backside of your site right now, you have one referring domain giving you one backlink. So you've got to start. It's better than 0. But this relates directly with the strength of your website. You have to have a strong website for Google to say that you actually are legit and know what you're doing. So if we take a peek over at your competition, that AIM Kitchen and Bath that we just looked at on that Google search, you'll see here they've got 323 referring domains and almost 1.6 thousand backlinks. And that's giving them 383 keywords that Google's finding on their site. So they've got a lot of content on their site to be found for that many keywords, and then they've put a lot of work into getting referring domains and backlinks. To get you into that very top spot organically, you'd need about 400 referring domains to really make sure that you blow them out of the water and stay in that spot. Now, and what is a backlink? A backlink is just a link from one website back to your website. They're not all created equal. Those citations we just talked about over in the map pack, those will give you a backlink, but that's not a really strong backlink. You want to make sure that the backlinks that you're going for are nice and strong, and a strong backlink is going to have some sort of relation to the services that you do provide. Maybe, even another handyman or remodeling type service in another state is giving you a backlink. Those work great, and a lot of times they're more willing to in another state because they aren't your direct competition. And then make sure that they have a stronger website than you. So right now you only have 1 and 1. You'd want to make sure that whatever site that you're trying to get a backlink from would be able to beat out this site or come close to it at least. That's really going to help boost your strength numbers up even more. Alright, John, that is all I have for you in this quick video. If you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy these free tips I've given you. If you don't mind giving me a little bit of feedback on how I did on this video, it would really be greatly appreciated. I hope you did find it helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.